carburetor controls the fuel-air mixture and the volume that enters the engine. It responds to the throttle position and the demand of the engine. The carburetor usually also incorporates a cold starting choke. The amount of fuel depends on the position of the accelerator pedal. If you press the pedal harder, the butterfly valve opens wider to give the engine more air and fuel, which results in more power and increased speed. Eventually, gum, varnish, resin, paraffin and other deposits build up inside the carburetor and butterfly valve, reducing airflow and causing parts to stick. When this happens, you may experience harder starting, fluctuating idle or stalling, rough or slow acceleration and poor economy. Clean R Carb from CRC is an effective way of cleaning the carburetor without removing it. Clean R Carb cleans and removes power-robbing gums from the carburetor components and eliminates the need to use wire brushes which can damage soft metal alloys. With the engine off and cool, remove the air cleaner to expose the carburetor. Clean the outside of the carburetor, heat riser, choke and throttle linkage and EGR valve. Gently rubbing with an old toothbrush is good for this. The carb body is soft alloy, so don't use a wire brush. With the engine running at a fast idle, clean the inside of the carburetor, including the butterfly valve, choke valve shaft, air bleeds and vacuum ports. Reassemble the air cleaner and air intake duct. With CRC Clean R Carb, you'll experience easier starting and smoother, more efficient engine performance.